Hi, I am Connie, the author and creator of the Color Me musical piano method. This is lesson 3 in the first book of that method, and that is the piano Adagio piano book 1. You'll know it's the piano book because the circle is green. All right, there's a link to this book with its series in the description below. You get this on Amazon. If you'd also like more to learn piano, more worksheets and games that go right along with what we're learning here in these books, check out my Patreon account. All right, let's get on to lesson 3. All right, we learned about Dave in lesson 1. We learned about Cade in lesson 2. Now, Cade and Dave are going to play together, and this song is called Let's Be Friends. So, you see where Cade and Dave are. Here's Dave and here's Cade. And remember how to hold your hand round like a ball, so you don't go like this with your thumb. It's round and it plays on the side. All right, so we got Dave and Cade. Ready? This is how this song is going to sound. Cade, 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 Cade. Now we switch to Dave. Okay, that was the first line. On the second line, you'll play Dave's and then Cade's. Go ahead and practice that on the piano and then come back to the video and we'll go on. Oh, look, it's Cade's birthday party. All right, now we've got 2 Cades, 2 Daves, 2 Cades, 2 Daves, and then 4 and 4. So this is what the first line would sound like. Cade, Cade, Cade. Oops. Cade, Cade, Dave, Dave, Cade, Cade, Dave, Dave. Did you catch that mistake? Okay, so there's 2 Cades, 2 Daves, 2 Cades, 2 Daves. Let's see if you can do this song. All right, now we're going to go to the next page. Playing party games. It's a birthday party, so they're playing games. And look, they're putting this blindfold on Cade, and they're pinning the tail on, oh, it's Dave. And that's Dave's tail. They pin the tail on Dave for the party games. Okay, now look, it's 2 Cades, 2 Daves, 2 Cades, 2 Daves, 2 Cades, 2 Daves. Wow, that does the same thing. Do you see the pattern? 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, and then we end with 4 Cades. And since we did this pattern in the last song, I think you'll be able to do it on your own. Okay, next page. Party hats. Ooh, now we're changing fingers like every single note. We go Cade, Dave, Cade, Dave. This is what the first song or the first line will sound like. Cade, Dave, Cade, Dave, Cade, Dave, Dave, rest. All right, you do that second line on your own. And now you're done with lesson 3. See you next time.